Welcome to my Vitamix Quiet One review. It's fair to say that this powerhouse blender packs a punch without all the noise. You get a hefty 48-ounce capacity, perfect for whipping up smoothies for the whole family or batch prepping your favorite blended recipes. Also, the clear Triton container is BPA-free, so you can blend worry-free. You'll love the convenience of the 6 touch control buttons with 34 program options. Whether you're crushing ice, pureeing soup, or making a Frounson dessert, there's a setting for that. The magnetically secured back cover is a nice touch too, making cleanup a breeze. Made in the USA, this blender is built to last. It's got a powerful motor that can handle tough ingredients with ease. Plus, the compact stackable design is great if you're short on counter space. Users rave about its ability to create silky, smooth smoothies and perfectly crushed ice. The Vitamix Quiet One lives up to its name, using noise reduction technology to keep things peaceful in your kitchen or cafe. The price tag might make you hesitate, but many users say it's worth the investment for its durability and quiet blending performance. Just keep in mind that quiet is relative. It's still a blender after all. Quiet isn't the same as silent, but I think most people know this. Ever wished you could blend without waking the whole house? The Vitamix Quiet One lives up to its name. This blender uses advanced sound dampening tech to keep noise levels surprisingly low. You'll appreciate the magnetically secured back cover, which not only reduces noise but also makes cleanup a breeze. While not completely silent, the Vitamix Quiet One makes much less noise than most of the other quiet blenders on the market, all while delivering superior blending performance. You'll love the roomy 48-ounce container on this Vitamix blender. It's perfect for whipping up smoothies for the whole family or prepping big batches of soup. The BPA-free pitcher can handle hot or cold ingredients with ease. Its generous size lets you blend larger quantities in one go, saving you time and effort. Plus, the wide opening makes it a breeze to add ingredients mid-blend. Whether you're making drinks for a party or pureeing veggies for the week, this blender's capacity has got you covered. The removable lid with a clear centerpiece allows you to safely add ingredients while blending. The Quiet One blender makes whipping up your favorite drinks a breeze. You'll love the 6 program buttons that take the guesswork out of blending. Just press a button and let the machine do its thing. The 48-ounce container is perfect for making multiple servings at once. The Quiet One's powerful motor handles tough ingredients with ease, while still keeping noise levels down. Whether you're making smoothies at home or running a busy bar, this Vitamix model has you covered with its user-friendly design and convenient features. You'll love how this Vitamix blender fits neatly on your counter. Its sleek black design won't hog space in your kitchen. The 48-ounce container is just right for most blending needs without being bulky. Cleaning is a breeze too. The magnetically secured back cover pops off quickly for wiping down spills. No more struggling to reach tight spots. The container is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, saving you time and hassle. With its stackable design and removable lid, you can easily store it away when not in use. The 6 touch controls are smooth and simple to wipe clean. You'll appreciate how this thoughtful design makes your life easier in the kitchen. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. Whisper quiet operation. You won't wake the neighbors with your early morning smoothies. Powerful performance. Crushes ice. And tough ingredients with ease. Convenient programming. 6 preset buttons make blending a breeze. Easy cleanup. The magnetic back cover reduces cleaning time. Durable build, made in the USA with quality materials. Large capacity, the 48-ounce container handles big batches. As for the cons, a hefty price tag, it's a significant investment for a blender. Bulky size, takes up considerable counter space. Learning curve, might take time to master all the features. Reading the various Vitamix The Quiet One reviews, you'll be impressed by the overwhelmingly positive feedback about the Quiet One. Users rave about its power, consistently delivering smooth blends without chunks of ice. The machine's quieter operation compared to older models is a game changer for many, especially those blending frequently throughout the day. Its durability shines in commercial settings, handling heavy workloads with ease. The Quiet One's ability to create perfect smoothies, frozen drinks, and purees is often highlighted. While some find it not as quiet as expected, most agree it's a significant improvement. The blender's efficiency in processing tough ingredients like soybeans is praised. For home users, it's seen as a worthwhile investment that pays off in convenience and quality. Despite the high price tag, many feel the Quiet One's performance justifies the cost. Looking for a powerful quiet blender that can handle all your smoothie and frozen drink needs? The Vitamix Quiet One might be your new kitchen bestie. With its 48-ounce container and 6 program buttons, you can whip up everything from morning smoothies to late-night milkshakes without waking the whole house. The magnetically secured back cover makes cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time sipping. This beast can crush ice like nobody's business, giving you perfectly smooth frozen drinks every time. Plus, it's made in the USA and built to last. But fair warning, it's not exactly cheap, and while pretty quiet for a blender, it's still louder than your indoor voice. If you're a serious blending enthusiast or run a busy cafe, the Quiet One could be a game changer. For casual home cooks, it might be overkill.